In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Tradingview discount. By the end, you'll know exactly when to look, where to check, and how to combine offers so you pay far less for the same features. First, timing is everything. The deepest discounts, often in the range of 70 to 80% off, show up during seasonal sales. Black Friday in late November is the big one, and early January usually brings another round of strong promos. If you are not in a rush, plan around those windows. Add a reminder to your calendar, and when the sale starts, move quickly. These deals are time-limited and can sell out or change without much notice. Next, log in and keep an eye on in-app banners. Tradingview frequently serves targeted, user-specific offers, and you might see an upgrade early banner near the top right. With a significant percentage off, these promos don't always appear for everyone and they can change based on your plan or usage history. So check periodically and compare the discount to seasonal sale prices before you commit. Consider an annual plan if you are sure you'll use it all year. Going annual can save up to 17% right away versus paying month to month, and when you stack that with a seasonal or targeted discount, the savings multiply. Just note that annual plans are prepaid and typically renew at the standard rate unless you change or cancel before renewal. Keep an eye on your birthday month as well. Many users receive a special 20% discount via email during that time. Make sure your birthday is correctly set in your account. Confirm you are opted into marketing emails, and check your promotions or spam folders. These offers are usually short-lived and may not stack with other promos. Here is also the free trial route. Sign up for a 30-day trial on a higher tier plan. Use it fully, and see if you are offered a discounted rate at the end. Set a reminder a couple of days before the trial expires so you can decide whether to continue or cancel and avoid unexpected charges. If you use a broker, look into partner promotions. Some brokers, including well-known names, offer free or discounted access to premium features, often tied to having a funded account or meeting certain activity thresholds. Terms vary, so review eligibility details carefully. Lastly, if you are a student, check for education partnerships that provide reduced pricing. Verification may be required and availability can vary by region. Put these strategies together. Time your upgrade, watch personalized banners, choose annual if it fits, leverage birthday and post-trial offers, explore broker deals, and use student discounts when applicable to secure the best possible price.